There's the buffer tank and the inverter.
Oh, okay. That's such a nice box. Okay. I think.
Whoa.
Oh.
Well, good.
Thank you.
Just go poof, 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 poof. Because you got extra work to do, right? I appreciate you coming out here. So here we are at the northwest corner of the basement, and I thought perhaps we could put the monobloc under the sunroom. However, again, we only have about 2 feet of clearance, and we would need quite a bit more. We'd have to trench under there, and so I discounted that spot. So basically, it boiled down to the east side of the house, and we'll go over there now. So just for reference, this is the southeast corner of the house. This is about 30 feet away from the buffer tank. But the advantage of this side of the house here is that it's kind of the back of the house. We already have a lot of sort of service type equipment here. We've got the electrical meter here. The electricity comes in here. We've got an air conditioning unit that does the upstairs. We've got a heat pump, a mini split that does some of the heating on the first floor. So putting the unit here wouldn't clutter, well, it would clutter this up a little bit more, but it wouldn't sort of compromise the aesthetic quality of this part of the house because it's already pretty messed up with all this equipment. So the idea is to put the monobloc up here, to build a shelf, a bracket that holds it up here about a foot off of that wall and up in this area. And then the plumbing will come out of the monobloc, and then it will go into the house through the joist band right up there. And it'll travel all the way down the house to the boiler room.
What's happening here?
Okay, we're going to unbox the buffer tank.
Tin snips.
They're made out of metal.
Whoa. All right, let's do it. Oh my God, it's a tank.
This is the bottom.
That's the bottom. Oh, we had it upside down because there's a top of the box.
Directions.
Directions. Oh my God.
And there it is, folks.
That is our Arctic heat pump buffer tank for warm water, I take it.
It can be used because the heat pump can do heating or cooling.
Mm-hmm.
So this could have cold water in it too. These are all kinds of little plumbing parts.
Vacuum relief valve. And we uncrated the monobloc from its wooden crate. And this is what you get. It's a big 200-pound monobloc. In the next video, we'll show the frame that we built for the monobloc. Thanks for watching the monobloc heat pump system for radiant floor heating to eliminate the use of gas to heat the house from CB99 videos. Please subscribe.